community. Duovivo, as we all know, is a place where you can buy, sell, swap 100% original pre-owned luxury. So what kind of luxury are we exactly talking about?
So by luxury, we mean all your uber luxury brands like your Michael Kors, Dior, Chanel, Gucci, Prada's, Christian Louboutins, Chopard's, Cartier, and a lot more.
Though these brands may seem like they're more women-centric, but we definitely don't want to leave our men behind. So we have even the Tags and the Chopards and the Hugo Boss and Paul Smith and all of those coming in, where even men who enjoy luxury can come, buy and sell and swap these brands.
Right, so today we have with us a new member in our Duovivo community, and that is...
Ta-da! So we have this gorgeous piece from the house of Christian Dior. It's the logo embossed shimmer Boston bag, where people looking out for Speedies or Boston bags, this is a great piece to own. Why? Because the shimmer, first of all, is a great color that goes with everything and anything that you wear, any occasion, and you can carry this. Secondly, the size is so perfect. It's neither too small, neither too big. I mean, even though it looks quite compact, it's big enough to carry your everyday essentials. I mean, at least your phone, your charger, your makeup,
and it's steady as well.
Yeah.
So it's not like a flimsy bag. You can just carry it as it looks.
Yeah, and we haven't stuffed it too much with paper just to show you how sturdy it actually is. So Nehal, let's take it through the condition of the bag.
Right. So this is the stuffing. So the condition of the bag, as you see, it is a little fairly used. The product from within does have a few marks, but on the outside also just a few scratches. Somehow the color of the bag hides it all, so that is why we have accepted this on our portal. Plus it has a huge demand from our buyers too. So as you see, the champagne color is very attractive and immediately catches your eyeball. So this is perfect for your Friday night, Sunday brunches, or even if you want to top it up with your pair of jeans and a white shirt.
It goes well, really well.
Yes.
And those who look out for something like this, let us tell you that you can be rest assured that this is 100% original. We have cleaned it thoroughly. Our spa experts have made sure that all the dirt and
they've deodorized the entire thing. So we get these chemicals imported from Italy that give it a new shine, a different look. And also we have our photography team, packaging team extensively working on each product. So every product that walks into our office is treated like a little baby and is packaged and delivered to you. For more details about this, please have a look at our description. And if you wish to buy them, you can call us on 7676104444, or you can log on to our website at www.duovivo.in. Or if you are in VR Bengaluru Mall, you can call us or you can visit our store at ground floor, store number 2,
VR Bengaluru, Whitefield. So we'll be waiting for you. Come get your hands on this beauty now.
See you there.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.